Okay, so let's begin. Let them join. So know how to select quality stocks from sector instantly. So who have you ever enjoyed the benefit of sector? Who all have enjoyed the benefit of sector? Do you believe that sector can give you extraordinary return? And choosing that sector can be very easy. It's on a click of three button. And within maximum of 1 minute, you can come to a stocks, you can come across a stock uh, in just three clicks. You can come across a stock which has good fundamental and has potential to do well in future. How would be that? How would be that if we can have a strategy where you can select, where you can select uh, a sector leader within a minute? How would be that? Will it help? And QBS is yes. So those who are new to this session, can I know who are new? Who all are new? Who all are new? Four person raise hand. I'm new. Okay, joining for the first time. Value Stocks webinar. It will work with. It will work everywhere. It will work everywhere. So sector is a macro. Then there comes economy. Above that is there is economy, and then there is a global economy, Indian economy, the local economy you can say. Then there comes on above that there comes a global economy. So global economy, Indian economy, then sector, and then your stocks. So these are four strong pillar. These are four strong pillar via which you can decide a great stock. So सारी हर चीज हम लोगों को एक ग्रेट स्टॉक की तरफ ले जाता है. ठीक है. सो अगर सेक्टर का साथ हो अगर सेक्टर का साथ हो और साथ में क्वालिटी जुड़ जाए, देन यू कैन मेक ग्रेट इन्वेस्टमेंट, यू कैन मेक ग्रेट प्रॉफिट्स. सो एनीबडी हु हैज एक्सपीरियंस दिस so anybody who experienced the sector benefit. So can I have few raise of hand have seen that okay the telecom sector are moving and let's invest. So sector की benefit ये है कि अगर आप सोच लो, do you understand what is sector? Sector is like a current in a water. अगर आपको साउथ से नॉर्थ के डायरेक्शन में जाना है और यू आर ट्रेवलिंग बाया बोट, अगर आप पानी के रास्ते जा रहे हैं नौके पे और करंट, पानी का करंट भी आपके साथ है, पानी का बहाव भी आपके साथ है, तो आप बहुत फास्ट अपने ड्यूरेशन में पहुंच जाओगे. अगर साथ नहीं है क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स, अगर नाव भी अच्छी है, बोट है और अच्छी है, स्पीड बोट है इनफैक्ट, सो हम लोग आपको स्पीड बोट देंगे और साथ ही साथ यही बता देंगे कि पानी का बहाव किस तरफ है. सो शुड वी स्टार्ट द जर्नी? वी हैव 129 पीपल. Okay, so know how. So should do we need to go to theory? Is it required? We all know how sectors are the real heroes of the market. If you can catch them, you probably catch everything. So I don't think this theory will be required, but still let's discuss a little bit. So smart investors generally look for market leader in sector, and it is perfectly sound reason for doing so. Normally market leader is one that have seen and survived the number of booms and bust cycles and have their fundamentals in place. So there are a lot more theories, metal, infra, and all. We'll be discussing that in a brief. So let us first of all, we have 142 people with us. So let us straightforward go and check how we can select quality stocks within a minute, and a great sectors within a minute. So for that, friends, we are going to a very great website of ours, which is Value Stocks. So you guys can check this. I have sent you the link. I have sent you this link of the website valuestocks.in. So you can go to this website and I will be showing you how we can check uh, the best sectors and best stock in that sector. So within 1 minute, we can identify which are the best stocks in great sectors. So meanwhile, before going to which are the best sectors and which are the best stocks in that sector, let us know which is that one sector that has been a leader in market in last 5 years. We'll be showing that presentations and all. Let us straight away go to the practical. Okay, Swapnil ji is saying IT, if you guys can write for panelists and as well as for everyone, then it will be great. Everybody can see. So Swapnil ji is saying IT, Piramal ji is saying IT. Anyone else? Only two people, IT and Pharma. Johnny ji, Govind ji, Pharma. Okay, Pharma. Surendra ji, Chemicals. I got the new name. FMCG, specialty chemical, automobiles, banks. Okay, auto banking, FMCG, pharma, infrastructure. My God, telecom, finance. Okay, in last 5 years, huh? Agrochemical, IT. Okay. Any more answer? FMCG, pharma, power, IPOs, chemicals. Okay, oil and gas. My God, they were the like bleeded a lot. Specialty chemical. Okay. Anyone else? Foods and beverage. Okay. So can you please send me the recording? Okay, we'll do that. Anybody else? Which sector has done well? Chemical and pharma. Okay. Paints. Okay. FMCG. So let us see. So there are some people who gave the right answer. Okay, there were few people. So this is valuestocks.in, in which we have sector leader. We have one section which is known as sector leader. If we click this, we are going to get in just 2-3 clicks, we are going to get great stocks. So friends, let us first check which is the quality sector, which is a great sector that has given great return. It's only one person has given right answer who said food and beverage. So it has risen by 242%, and few more has identified chemical, which has given a return of 190%. So friend, there are these two sectors, and if you can also take fertilizer, which has risen 177% in last 5 years, and then it's a normal return of which is a stock market return 25%. But if you think about abnormal return, these three sectors has given abnormal return. 5 सालों में 100% का रिटर्न दिया इन्होंने, which is like 20%. So annually अगर आप पकड़ेंगे तो, so 20-21% is somewhere. So but if you can see, abnormal return has been given by food and beverages, chemicals and fertilizers. So what does this signifies? Now why we are talking 5-year sector, why we are discussing 5-year sector? It shows that there is huge interest in these sectors. Investors, the big investors, long-term investors have big interest in these 5 sectors or these 3 sectors. So this investment in these three sectors should be there for our portfolio. Now, somebody said oil and gas. I don't know where it is. So it is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10th position. And banking PSU was the poorest. Infrastructure was negative. Textile is hardly positive. So nobody said textile. Thank you. But somebody said infrastructure. So this is the position, friends. This is the position. When we are diving in a pool, we must know how deep it is. So sector is a way to know how deep your market is, where I should invest. If you are investing in stock, आप इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, then you must be knowing where you are investing, वो कितनी गहरी है, how stocks are. So what is the first thing you are going to do in this falling market? You need to check out great stocks in these three sectors. Friends, let me tell you once again. Let me tell you this once again. We need to check out quality stocks in this falling market. We need to check out these three quality sectors, quality stocks for investing in future. So let us check. So we did one click by clicking sector leader, and this is a second click, and in just 2 clicks you are ready with your great stocks. So we have Britannia. So this stocks we have not filtered or shorted the stocks as per the return. The returns are here. We have not shorted that. We have shorted these stocks as per their quality. Are you getting me, friends? What is the topic that we are discussing? We are discussing, can we get quality stocks from great sectors? Yes, it is possible. Can it be done in just 30 seconds? Yes, it's possible. So how it is possible? We have valuestocks.in with us, and if we click in sector leader, if we click on sector leader, and if we go and check which is the top sectors, if we click on that, then we are ready with the list of stocks that has great quality. And you also have return for these stocks like Britannia 172%, Avanti Feeds quality business score is 20. Okay, so this is out of 22. All these scores are out of 22. Out of 22, the quality business score is 22. That means a great stock. Britannia is a great stock, 172. Avanti Feeds 294. BBTC 203. KRBL is negative, so you can avoid it. But the quality is good. The company is doing well now, so you can decide to enter again. Tasty Bites, it has not been listed at that point of time 5 years ago. CCL product, quality is good. Nestle, quality is good. So you get the list of sector leaders. You get the list of stocks that has very good fundamentals. Are we getting, friends? So how much click? 2 clicks. In a similar way, you can also check which sectors are coming up. Let's check which sectors are doing well in, let's check for a shorter period of time, which sector are doing well right now. So what happened? See, you can see textile has been doing very well in last 3 months. Let us check what was its position in last 6 months. It was at sixth position, a third position in 6 months. In 1 month, textile has come down to 4th position. In 1 week, now textile has little bit dropped. But because it was great in 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, you can select quality stocks in textile. So friends, can you tell me, can anybody tell me, we'll be discussing what are the parameters of QB score. We'll be discussing that, Govindi. So can anybody tell me where one should invest when markets are falling? Where one should invest? where one should invest when markets are falling? No answer yet. Where one should quality stocks? Thank you. Large cap, great. IT and pharma, that is also true. Value stocks, banks, defensive. Banks can be little boomerang. So I like the first three, four answers. It looks like a friends or brothers has given these answers. So Rahul Shah has given quality stocks. Then Kalpa Shah has given large cap. Then somebody, I don't know, SWA whatever. So it is IT and pharma. So these are real answer where you should invest in. So when markets are little dicey, we can shift, but one thing we need to remember is invest in a quality stocks. Now, why we should invest in a quality stocks? Consumption is a great answer, okay. Why we should invest in a quality stocks? Why we need to invest in a quality stocks? What is the reason? What is the reason? Risk is low. So friends, you have the answer with you. You just need a tool to confirm that your answer. Okay, you have the answer, you have the idea with you. You guys just need a tool where you can apply your ideas and get the data in your hand. Do you agree or not? हम सब लोगों के पास आइडियाज हैं, हम सभी के पास आइडियाज हैं, बट उन आइडियाज के लिए टूल्स नहीं हैं जहां पे हम लोग उस आइडियाज को इंप्लीमेंट करके बेस्ट रिटर्न्स निकाल सकें. डू यू अग्री? नीड गाइडेंस, एग्जैक्टली. सो वैल्यू स्टॉक्स इज अ प्लेस जहां पे आप अपने आइडियाज को इंप्लीमेंट करके आप उनका डिटेल निकाल सकते हैं. So let's friend do one thing. Let's check out IT only. So we have 98 stock in IT, out of which 35 are quality stocks. That is 36%. So let us check कि IT में हम लोग कौन-कौन से stocks देख सकते हैं. So somebody said IT large cap. So let us take large cap only. So we have these stocks in large cap, which is great quality. Okay, now somebody asks what is the QB score. We are not going to go in detail, because for detailing you can come to one-to-one webinar that we have. So let me give you brief. Quality business score is has been made on the basis of 4 fundamental parameters. What are those 4 fundamental parameters? The 4 fundamental parameters are sales growth, profit growth, or EPS growth, earning per share. Those who doesn't understand earning per share clearly, सो मैं उनके लिए बता रहा हूं. सेल्स ग्रोथ, प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ, रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी एंड फ्री कैश फ्लो. ठीक है. सेल्स ग्रोथ इसलिए कि जिससे पता चलता है कि कंपनी के प्रोडक्ट में दम है, कंपनी के प्रोडक्ट में एक ताकत है, एक उस कंपनी को आगे ले जाने के लिए. ठीक है. उस कंपनी के सर्वाइवल नहीं, कंपनी सस्टेन कर सकती है. ओके. प्रॉफिट इसलिए कि आपके पास प्रोडक्ट है, लेकिन आप ऐसा मैनेजमेंट यूज करो कि प्रॉफिट नहीं निकाल पा रहे हो. अगर आपके पास लाइक देयर वाज अ ग्रेट एग्जांपल ऑफ आलोक इंडस्ट्री व्हिच वाज पायनियर इन डूइंग सेल्स इन टेक्सटाइल. ठीक है. अगर आप देखोगे लिस्टेड पेयर में आलोक इंडस्ट्री का सेल्स सबसे हाईएस्ट है, आई थिंक टू सेकंड या थर्ड पोजीशन पे, बट प्रॉफिट्स नहीं निकाल पा रही. ओके. सो ऐसे क्या होता है कि एक कंपनी के पास प्रोडक्ट है, people are liking its product, but they don't know the exact pricing of the product. They don't know how to manage the cost for their company. That is why they're struggling with the profit. So sales are good, profits are struggling. That is also not a good combination. So हम लोग को क्या चाहिए? It's like हम लोग है ना, हम लोग कोई जॉब करते होंगे यहाँ पे, कोई बिजनेस करते होंगे. In this group we have people of 204. So 204 people are right now here. So आप लोग कोई जॉब करते होंगे, कोई बिजनेस करते होंगे, तो ऐसा होता है ना बहुत बार कि हम लोग बहुत ज्यादा इनपुट देते, बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत करते हैं, लेकिन अगर हम लोग प्रॉफिट्स नहीं कमा पाए, ठीक है, अगर हम लोग प्रॉफिट्स नहीं कमा पाए, हम लोग सैलरी स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं क्रिएट कर पाए, तो देयर इज नो पॉइंट इन डूइंग दैट. इन अ सिमिलर वे, stock market में. So why did we created QBS? कि okay, sales should be there, sales growth should be there, profit growth should also be there. ठीक है. अभी मैंने मेहनत किया. सेल्स क्या दर्शाता है? मेहनत, मेरी मेहनत. ओके, द क्वांटम ऑफ मेहनत एंड क्वांटम ऑफ लेबर हैव गिवन एंड इंटेलिजेंस आई हैव यूज्ड, ओके, फॉर माय वर्क. देन कम्स के रिटर्न, सैलरी और प्रॉफिट्स. इन अ बिजनेस, इफ यू आर डूइंग बिजनेस, यू नीड अ प्रॉफिट. ठीक है. अभी मैंने मेहनत भी किया, आई हैव यूज्ड माय लेबर, आई हैव एंजॉयड द प्रॉफिट, आई एम इन प्रॉफिट. But then there's a big but there. What is that but? The but is all about not saving. I used my intelligence, I did my labor, I made profit of 1 lakh rupees, a salary of 1 lakh rupees a month. I spended 1,20,000 rupees. Who all are experienced this in life? Who all are experienced this in life? Simple life है, सब करते हैं गलतियां. Are you agreeing, friends? You gave a labor, you use your intelligence, whole intelligence, you made a profit, you make a salary of 1 lakh rupees a month, but you spended 1,20,000. Next month you are in deep stress. How to overcome that extra 20,000 that you have spent it? Correct. So this is what is happening with the investors. When we are judging a company, we need to check companies are who run the company. An individual run the company, or a group of people run the company. So it's all about human mind. The way we behave, you will see the pattern of behaving. If we are somewhere called as good person, bad person, or bad management person to ourselves, if we are not managing things properly, same way a company is doing. So अगर कंपनी वो नहीं कर रही है, मतलब सेल्स नहीं कर रही है, that means company is not giving total effort to the product. Okay. And now after giving an effort, company is not converting it into a profit. तो प्रॉफिट क्रिएट करना जरूरी है. प्रॉफिट क्रिएट करने के बाद if it is spending more than the profit they have earned, then they will have stress next year. So free cash flow is an area where you can identify that thing. So sales growth, profit growth, and free cash flow. Okay. And fourth is return on equity. जो भी मैंने इन्वेस्टर्स से पैसे लिए हैं, like our father mother would have invested so much on us. So if they have given us so much of education, if they have given so much of, they have spent it on so much of our education, if they have spent lakhs and lakhs of amount on our education, and if we are not able to create any salary or a business, so that is the return on equity what they are looking at. So in a similar way, as a shareholder, we want to look at what is the return on equity. So the quality business score is for four categories, four criteria: sales growth, profit growth, return on equity, and free cash flow. So friends, we have 200 people right now. It would be very high expectation if I expect that if 200 people can write these four parameters on the chat. But it would be great if you guys write on these four parameters on chat, because when you listen, you only keep in mind, but when you write it, you keep it stored in mind as well on heart. So if you guys can write these four things, these four principle behind a company is sales growth, profit growth, return on equity, and free cash flow on chat, then you will have this particular thing in your mind as well as in your heart. So it will help you to invest wisely in stock market and can get great returns. So I'm already getting 10 chats. So people are writing, thank you for believing this idea. I think this is nothing new. This is nothing like Baba ka gyan, but yes, this is like a small thing which we all know is how powerful it is. So a combination of these four things for last 5 years is known as QBS, Quality Business Score. I will again repeat these 4 points: sales growth, profit growth, then we have this a return on equity and free cash flow. So return on equity should be greater than 15 and free cash flow should be positive, profit growth should be positive, sales growth should be positive. So अगर कंपनी जरा भी सेल्स ग्रोथ कर रही है इट्स गुड. अगर कम से कम सेल्स ग्रोथ कुछ भी है, लास्ट टाइम 10% था, अब की बार 10.25 है, then it's also good. So there should be a sales growth. At least they are not degrowing. Okay. Yeah. Why return on equity should be greater than 15? So okay, I will explain this you in brief. आज के दिन एक जनरल एक्सपेक्टेशन है हर इन्वेस्टर की. दिस हैज कम फ्रॉम मार्केट रिसर्च, रादर आई वुड से दैट रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी, अगर आप इक्विटी में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं विच इज अ हाईली रिस्की एसेट सर, सो 10% कहीं ना कहीं आपको डेट में मिलती है. कॉर्पोरेट बॉन्ड्स एंड अदर डेट कैटेगरीज कहीं ना कहीं दे प्रोवाइड यू 10% ऑफ रिटर्न. एंड इफ यू आर टेकिंग दैट इक्विटी एक्सपोजर ऑफ दिस, then extra 5% a investor is thinking. So that is the reason, and then there is a tax and all. So that is the reason people expecting at least 5% on their capital. So return on equity should be greater than 15. So it's basically it's debt plus 5%, debt return plus 5%. So it comes around 15%. This is general expectation what a investor has from a company. So that is the reason we have taken 15% as a return on equity. However, there are many more reasons that we have with us because of strategy. The 15% works well when you test on artificial intelligence, but the basic understanding behind taking 15 is because that is a minimum expectation that investor has on his investment if they are investing in equity. So thank you friends, thank you for writing these 4 parameters. You guys will be like, देखो इस webinar से I don't know who all will keep remember, because there are lots of webinars happening everywhere, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube and all, but the essence of that webinar should be with you. So अगर मैं आपसे कुछ लिखवा रहा हूँ and you also believe that yes this is powerful thing to know, because ये हम लोग की लाइफ से भी जुड़ी है, so that will help you a lot. So let's come back to so we have quality business score. So if you want little more on quality business score, then you can come on one-to-one webinar. Okay sir. So next let us go ahead. So हम लोग क्या करते हैं, what we do, we just click on IT and straight away we get which are the top stocks in IT. So we can also filter it through large cap. So we know what are the stocks in large cap that has good quality. So you can see there is no, it has been not filtered as per the return. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, बहुत सारे वेबसाइट्स में और जगह बहुत सारे वेबसाइट में बहुत जगह क्या करते हैं वो लोग, दे फिल्टर इट थ्रू रिटर्न, which is not correct. You should filter through fundamental. Okay, because return are right now it is giving 35% return. You never know, HCL takes, because of its good fundamental, it can move faster. ठीक है, तो fundamental is a strong part while identifying a stock. So let us check which are the stocks in mid cap. So in mid cap we have these stocks doing very well and has very good quality. Okay, so QBS score should be, can maximum go up to 22 and can be less up to 50, so can be less up to negative and all. So where one should invest in 18 and above QBS score, that means 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 QBS score. If a company has, it's a good company, it's a great company. Even 15 to 18 are good company, you can little bit rely on them. And then 10 to 15 are okay companies. Okay, they will remain volatile. So in these kind of volatile scenario, if you have two weapon in your hand, what is that two weapon? One weapon is invest in quality stocks, and the second point is invest in top sectors. Invest in top sectors. So what should be our motto while investing in stock? So we should see at least 1 month that sector has been in positive. So we have automobiles, then we have reality, then we have metals. So there are 2-3 strategies और 2-3 points that I'm going to discuss, that आप कैसे सेक्टर्स में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं और कौन से सेक्टर्स में आपको इन्वेस्ट करनी चाहिए. तो पहले मैं हिंदी में बताता हूँ, then I will also explain in English, so that बहुत जन हैं जो लोग they want in हिंदी कि कैसे है, तो I'm explaining first in हिंदी, then I will go in English. So friends, सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये है लोगों की कि डिफेंसिव, किसी ने कहा था डिफेंसिव, कैन आई नो द नेम, कैन आई नो द नेम हु सेड डिफेंसिव सेक्टर, जिन्होंने कहा था डिफेंसिव सेक्टर में इन्वेस्ट करना है. एनीबडी किसी ने कहा था, क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत नीचे आ गए हैं. राहुल जी ने कहा था कि डिफेंसिव सेक्टर में कहा, और राघव जी ने भी कहा था, और अभिजीत जी ने भी कहा था. तो सबसे बहुत ही सिंपल वे है जानने की कि डिफेंसिव सेक्टर है कौन कौन सी. तो फ्रेंड्स, सबसे पहले हम लोग आ जाएंगे 5 इयर्स में. ठीक है, जैसे ही आप 5 इयर्स में आएंगे ना, डिफेंसिव सेक्टर वो हो गई जो आपको कंसिस्टेंट स्वीट रिटर्न देंगे. स्वीट रिटर्न का डेफिनेशन क्या, कोई बता सकता है? कोई बता सकता है स्वीट रिटर्न का डेफिनेशन क्या है? नो, नॉट डिफेंस, डिफेंसिव. यहाँ डिफेंसिव मतलब जो मार्केट गिरने पे कम गिरती है, और ये माना जाता है कि बढ़ने पे कम बढ़ती है, बट ऐसा है नहीं. वो घटने में कम घटती हैं और बढ़ने में भी अच्छा बढ़ती है. तो स्वीट रिटर्न किसको कहते हैं? कुछ लोगों ने दिया है स्लो एंड स्टडी, लो एसडी, लो बीटा, ओके. और मुझे ये चीज कहीं और जाने की दरकार नहीं है. मैं सिंपली 5 इयर्स में क्लिक करूंगा. जो भी रिटर्न्स 80-85% के ऊपर के रहेंगे, जिनमें भी 80-85% के रिटर्न के ऊपर रहेंगे, वही मैं सेलेक्ट कर लूंगा. सो मेरे लिए डिफेंसिव सेक्टर्स ये सारे हैं. सो लेट अस चेक. एफएमसीजी 80% रिटर्न है, तो एफएमसीजी मेरे लिए डिफेंसिव हो गया. आईटी डिफेंसिव हो गया. मेटल एंड माइनिंग डिफेंसिव नहीं है, लेकिन अगर मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट करता हूं तो मेरे रिटर्न खराब नहीं होंगे. देन वी हैव कंज्यूमर गुड, देन वी हैव फार्मा, देन वी हैव फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज, देन वी हैव फर्टिलाइजर एंड एग्रो, then we have chemical, then we have food and beverage. तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, ये 9 सेक्टर में अगर मैं इन्वेस्टेड रहता हूं, then we might not see a big fall in our portfolio even in falling market. अगर falling market है तो now ये सेक्टर्स तो मुझे मिल गए. now where we should invest, हम लोग कहाँ इन्वेस्ट करने चाहिए इस सेक्टर में? इन सेक्टर में अगर हम लोग क्लिक करते हैं, जैसे मेटल्स एंड माइनिंग कहीं मैं जाता हूं, ठीक है, मेटल्स एंड माइनिंग में मुझे खाली क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स, पहले उससे पहले मैं आपको दिखा दूं, जैसे मेटल्स एंड माइनिंग में आज के दिन 102 स्टॉक्स हैं. फ्रेंड्स प्लीज इसको बहुत ध्यान से देखिएगा. 1 मिनट में आया, आप प्लीज इसको देखिए. मेटल्स एंड माइनिंग में 102 स्टॉक्स हैं. आप देखिए, मैं एक बार पानी लेकर. यस फ्रेंड्स, तो हम लोगों ने क्या किया है, से फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेटल एंड माइनिंग. मेटल एंड माइनिंग मैं मानता हूं कि इज नॉट अ डिफेंसिव सेक्टर, बट ये पोटेंशियल है आपको रिटर्न देने के लिए. इंडियन पैराडॉक्स में, इंडियन अंडरस्टैंडिंग में मेटल एंड माइनिंग आपको रिटर्न देता है 85%. 5 साल में इसने रिटर्न दिया है. तो कहीं ना कहीं इंडिया में मेटल कंपनी वॉलेटाइल होने के साथ साथ अगर मैं 5 साल इसको होल्ड करूं तो मैं 15-16% सालाना एक्सपेक्ट कर सकता हूं. आर यू गेटिंग मी फ्रेंड्स? अगर मैं 5 साल मेटल एंड माइनिंग होल्ड करता हूं तो 15-16% मैं सालाना एक्सपेक्ट कर सकता हूं उससे. ठीक है, तो आ जाते हैं मेटल एंड माइनिंग में. बट 102 कंपनियां हैं मेटल एंड माइनिंग में, लेकिन केवल 6 कंपनियां ही अच्छी कंपनियां हैं. खाली 6% कंपनियां अच्छी हैं इन मेटल एंड माइनिंग. तो हम लोगों को क्या इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है? इन 6 कंपनियों में ही सोचना है इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए. वी शुड नॉट थिंक बियॉन्ड दीज. सो व्हाट आर दोस 6 कंपनीज? मैंने कहा था 15 एंड अबव, तो एपीएल अपोलो, कल्याणी स्टील, गांधी ट्यूब, हालांकि हम लोगों ने होल्ड विद कॉशन दिया हुआ है, तो यू कैन स्ट्रेट अवे गो टू हिंदुस्तान जिंक, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो सी लुक इनटू मिश्रा धातु। सो ये सब कुछ एक कंपनियां हैं जिनमें आप लोग इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकते हैं। बाद बाकी सारी कंपनियां इट्स नॉट गुड फॉर इन्वेस्टमेंट। समझ पा रहे हैं फ्रेंड्स? अगर मैं सही से देखूं तो हम लोगों ने रिकमेंडेशन भी किया है कि स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट स्टॉक्स आपका एपीएल अपोलो ही है। तो अगर आप मेटल एंड माइनिंग में कोई भी स्टॉक्स इस फॉलिंग मार्केट में रख रखें, सो फ्रेंड्स अब पहला टारगेट, मार्केट गिर रहे हैं, या तो मार्केट यहां से गिरते रहेंगे या गिर के अगर बढ़ेंगे, अगर आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट करने हैं तो प्लीज इन्वेस्ट करें इन सब स्टॉक्स में जो हम लोगों ने स्ट्रॉन्ग बाइज रेकमेंड किए हुए हैं और सेक्टर के लीडर भी हैं। एपीएल अपोलो इज अ सेक्टर लीडर एंड इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग बाय। इट्स अ बेस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट स्ट्रेटजी, और इसका रिटर्न भी देख सकते हैं कितना रिटर्न है, 581% का रिटर्न है लास्ट 5 ईयर्स में, और अभी भी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। अगर आपको डिटेल अंडरस्टैंडिंग करनी है एपीएल अपोलो के बारे में, नाउ दिस इज द थर्ड क्लिक। अगर मैं क्लिक करता हूं, एपीएल अपोलो को क्लिक करता हूं, तो आई विल गेट टू नो फुल हिस्ट्री अबाउट एपीएल अपोलो। मैं एपीएल अपोलो के बारे में फुल हिस्ट्री में जान सकता हूं। तो ये देख लीजिए, ये स्ट्रॉन्ग बाय है, इसका वैल्यूएशन क्या है, स्टिल अंडर वैल्यूड है, ठीक है। देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ डिटेल, डीसीएफ वैल्यूएशन क्या है, ग्राहम वैल्यूएशन इसके क्या है, अर्निंग पर शेयर वैल्यू, अर्निंग वैल्यूएशन क्या है, बुक वैल्यूएशन क्या है, टीटीएम ईपीएस क्या है, कंपनी की सेल्स कितनी है, टीटीएम सेल्स, देन यू हैव ऑल रिटर्न का कितना डिटेलिंग किया हुआ है इसी में, देन यू नो द आरओई ऑफ द कंपनी, कितनी आरओई है कंपनी की, शेयर होल्डिंग है। सो दिस इज फर्दर एनालिसिस अबाउट एपीएल अपोलो। ओके, सो लेट्स कम बैक अगेन। सो इस तरह से तो 5 ईयर में आप आएंगे, अगर अभी आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है, अच्छे स्टॉक्स चुनने हैं, तो आप ये टॉप 9 सेक्टर्स जो भी 80% अबव सेक्टर्स हैं वो ले लेंगे। नाउ आफ्टर कमिंग टू दिस, आईटी फार्मा एफएमसीजी इसमें आ ही गए हैं, बिकॉज आईटी फार्मा एफएमसीजी कंज्यूमर गुड्स आर एक्चुअली डिफेंसिव सेक्टर्स। Okay, so let me explain the same thing on English. So what we need to do to identify a defensive sector, we straight away need to come to 5 years. Okay, because in 5 years, if any of the sector is able to give return of more than 80% in last 5 years, that means it is a kind of return giver stocks or sector in that particular uh, in stock market. Okay, so we have, if we look at this, you can see FMCG has given 80%, then we have IT which is given 85%. So if you count them, there are 9 such sectors which has potential to give more than 80% return in last 5 years. In historically they have done so, and in future they can do so. So in falling market, one should come back to fundamental. Okay, and that too, if you're coming back to sector, great sector leader, then that is like amazing. So just come to fundamental and sectors. So what we need to do, like let us check metals and mining. Yeah, let us check metal and mining. If we click on metal and mining, let me first tell you that, yeah, metal and mining, there are 102 companies. There are 102 companies, out of which only 6 company has quality business score above 15. That means 6% of companies have good quality of stocks. Good quality. So if you click this, you see these are the 6 companies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 companies are there, which has quality business score above 15. Okay. Now, in this, we have only APL Apollo, which we have recommended as strong buy. Okay. And the rest others are Hindustan Zinc is hold and Mitra Dhatu is hold. So if we look at, we technically we are recommending only APL Apollo as a buying in metals. So what happened? You can think of investing in metal in APL Apollo only. And if we want to invest further, we can think of investing in Kalyani Steel. and Gandhi Tube, because they have good fundamental. Now, if you want further study for which are the great, what is the greatness of APL Apollo, if you click on APL Apollo, you can see full detail about APL Apollo, what APL Apollo is doing, what are its valuation, what is its return on equity, what is its profit and loss, what is its sales growth, what is profit growth. Like, see, this is valuations, then we have action momentum, then we have long-term parameters, then we have free cash flow, what is the free cash flow of the company, what is the sales growth and profit growth, what is the quarterly sales growth and profit growth. And then we also have a small description about the company, in which you get to know company is also in a monopoly business. 40% of building material, structural steel, near to monopoly. This is high market share of the company. 28% GP pipe. The company has market share of 28% of GP pipe. 26% hollow section. The company has a market share for hollow section for 12% black pipe, 9% GI pipe. So see how they have 8 patents with them. So this will further give you a confidence that yes, I need to hold this company. There's no point in having panic in this company. Now, let us take a poor company. Do you want to see poor company जो हम लोग generally hold करते हैं, जो हम लोग, it is paid, sir. Somebody has asked, it's a paid website, so we'll be giving you details on that also. No, in metals and mining, we need to check on metals and mining only. Let us check in metal and mining. So this is on top, you have quality, great quality. At bottom, you have poorest quality. So let us take which is 8 and which is famous, like Vedanta India. Let us check Vedanta India, it's a large cap only. So if we open Vedanta, it has been given a quality business score of 8, 9. Okay, and it is in metal and mining, fairly valued. Let us see why it is. Let us read why it is so. Given 9, September 20 quarter result has shown 0 score, has shown negative sales growth, negative EPS growth. 1920 has 1 score, as has shown negative sales growth, positive EPS growth, return equity below 15, uh, positive 2-year free cash flow. In 2018-19 has 2 score, has positive sales growth, negative EPS growth, return equity above 15, and free cash flow, positive free cash flow. So this is how you get the detail. So you can also see this detail on, which is a more powerful tool of ours, where at a glance you can know why Vedanta has got 8 marks. So if we come to this place, yeah, so straight away the EPS growth was negative. There is a negative sales growth to got 0 growth. There was a only positive EPS, but nothing else, so got only 1 mark. There was only sales growth, positive sales growth, so got 1 mark, and return equity was slightly above, so got 2 marks. And then there was sales growth, free cash flow was okay, return equity was okay, but there was degrowth in EPS, so got 3 marks. So in this way, Vedanta has got only 9 marks. So friends, what happened, sometime कभी कंपनी क्वार्टरली में अच्छा रिजल्ट दे देती, वी बाय देम, बट उनका बैगेज बहुत ही खराब है पीछे में, उनका बैकग्राउंड इतना खराब है कि अगर हम लोग उनमें इन्वेस्ट कर देंगे तो वी मे बी लूजिंग लॉट. So you need to see present as well as little bit of history about the company. So what does quality business score do? It gives you history as well as present of the company. So आपको सबसे पहले तो फ्रेंड्स स्टॉक्स पता, सेक्टर पता चल जाते हैं. तो अब मैं क्या करूंगा, अब मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि मैंने आपको बताया डिफेंसिव, जहां पे आपको 15, 16, 20% आपको कैसे इजीली बन सकता है, इवन मोर बन सकता है. आई एम गिविंग यू अ कंजर्वेटिव सिनेरियो. वेयर अगर आप ये 9 सेक्टर में ही इन्वेस्टेड रहते हैं, इस 9 सेक्टर के अच्छे स्टॉक्स में इन्वेस्ट रहते हैं, क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स में इन्वेस्ट रहते हैं, तो 20 से 25% कैन बी इजिली मेड आउट ऑफ दीज सेक्टर स्टॉक्स। नाउ अगर जिस समय मार्केट बढ़ती है तो हाउ वन शुड इन्वेस्ट इन अ सेक्टर, कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करें? तो 6 मंथ, 3 मंथ, 1 मंथ एंड 1 वीक। ओके, मार्केट में ये जो 1 वीक, 1 मंथ, 3 मंथ, 6 मंथ की जो एरिया है, आप इससे सेक्टर आइडेंटिफाई करिए और इसके टॉप 5 सेक्टर्स को आप पकड़िए। जैसे एग्जांपल, अगर यहां से बाजार बढ़ती हैं तो वेयर यू शुड इन्वेस्ट इन अ सेक्टर। सो 6 महीने में व्हाट विल वी डू, देर आर 24 सेक्टर्स। हाँ, सो व्हाट वी नीड टू सी, हम लोग अप्रोक्सीमेटली 7 सेक्टर्स ले लेते हैं। So in 6 months, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means automobile, industrial manufacturing, pharma, realty, textile, metals and mining, and IT. So these 7 sectors are there. Okay. Let us see which sector repeat. So let me write this on a page. So if you guys can also write on your page or somewhere, IT, metal, textile, reality, pharma, infra, and auto. So we have these 7 sectors for 6 months. So we'll see which sectors stays and which sectors remove in next 7, in 3 month top 7 sectors. So textile is there, reality is there. Now a new sector comes in, which is food and beverage. Okay, this is a new sector. Okay. Uh, Pharma got removed. Okay, let us cut pharma. Infra is still there. Auto got get removed. Metal is still there, and IT is still there. Okay, IT. We remain with IT, metal, textile, reality, and infra. Food and beverage has just entered in the sector. Okay, now let us check for 1 month. In 1 month, automobiles again came into the picture. So automobile get 2 marks out of 4, and infrastructure is there, but I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So infra is removed in 1 month, and we got automobile has come. Reality is again there, third time. Metal is there, textile is there, and IT is there. Okay, so we are with 4 sectors: IT, metal, textile, reality. Let's come to 1 week. Okay, in 1 week, you can see we have only automobile, FMCG, cements, pharma, fertilizer, food and beverage. So what happened in 6 month, 3 month, 1 month? These 4 sectors, IT, metal, and reality, have been doing well, and because of market correction, so these 4 sectors, so in 1 week we are not going to decide on any sector, but we need to decide on sector on the basis of 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, when markets are moving up from its low. Okay friends, are you getting me? Are you getting me, friends? So one process is, you don't need to follow all those things. You just need to follow 5-year return and invest in these top 7, top 8, top 9, which is giving 80% and above return. You can invest in those top stock of these sectors. The another way to catch which is that sector that is coming up. So you need to 6 month, 3 month, 1 month. Okay, this force period you can see, and check which sector is coming again and again. Then what you need to do, you need to identify from these 4 sectors, like metal, we have IT, metal, textile, and reality, which came again and again, 6 month, 3 month, 1 month. So what we need to do, we need to identify the best stock in these 4 sectors. Okay, when we decide best stock in these 4 sector, now what you need to do, you invest in them. Either you can invest immediately, or you can wait for some correction or support. Who are technical analysts over here? I think we have 173 people. Some of you must be a technical analyst who looks at who looks at these things. So they can identify which are the support of the that particular stock, that great stock, and they can enter at good support in these four sectors. So friends, this is how you identify a quality sector, which are the performing sector, and identify a performing stock in that sector. Okay, so this is one. So the same exercise you can do for minor sector. Okay, if you come to 5-year return, so these are the sectors which are doing well in last 5 years. So what we need to do, we need to check what are the stocks in them, which are the quality stocks. Friends, the basic understanding remain the same. जैसे एग्जांपल मैं बताता हूं कि इंडिविजुअल हम लोग सब जानते हैं, लाइक sometime what happened if someone's salary is not increasing, what can be the reason? We have 170 people. If someone is working very well, highly qualified, very intelligent person is working for a company, and if is still doing hard work and everything, if his salary is not increasing, what can be the reason? What can be the reason? The company for which he is working may not be earning great. And why its company is not earning great? Because the business scenario is not good, but profit is not good. But see, when individual is so strong, what he can do, he can go in different company and he can get great profits. When the times will change, when economy will do well, when company will start earning, and the ultimately that person, if the person has potential, he will earn a great profits and great salary. In a similar way, when we are investing in stock market, economy is one part, company is one part, economy is one part, Indian economy is one part, global economy is one part, Indian economy is one part, and then individual stocks. So individual stock is a higher truth. Okay, if yes, somebody has written clearly, don't marry a company, marry a work. Similarly, don't marry a stock, marry a quality stocks, marry a stock which has great quality. If its quality is going degraded, if it become degraded, exit that. So friends, so this is all. So again, let us come back again on 3 clicks. Okay, 3 clicks, friends, 3 clicks for selecting that great stock. So I'm going to take only one sector now. Though if you can write on chat which is that sector you want to see a great stock for that particular sector. I'm going to take only one sector. I got one chat. So somebody said food and beverages, so let's go for that. So on 3 click, we will be getting our quality stocks, not more than that. So let us apply those 3 clicks. So valuestocks.in, sector leader, the first click, sector leader. Then we are coming to food and beverages, the second click. So on second click, we are on the page where we have the quality stocks. So those who are looking for high quality stocks, they can invest on companies that has 18 and above quality business score. So friends, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 quality stocks, high grade quality stocks for investing in food and beverages. Those who want to invest furthermore, they can invest 15 and above. So you get more 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stocks. So because markets are highly volatile and food and beverages is the one which has given the highest return in last 5 years as a great sector. So friends, you can invest in these stocks in this sector. So you can invest in Britannia, Avanti Feeds, BBTC, KRBL, Tasty Buy, Associates Alcohol Beverages, a CCL product. Then we have Nestle. Then we have ADF Food, DFM Food, Gujarat Ambuja Export Limited. Then we have Godrej Agrovet, Kaveri Seeds, and Redico Khetan. So these are the stocks you can invest in. No issue, sir. These are as per the fundamental. The stock is good. They have sales growth. They have profit growth. They have the Venduji Avanti Feeds has profit growth, sales growth, return on equity, and free cash flow. So it's the best time to invest in Avanti Feeds. Okay. Uh, Again, explaining QBS score will be a difficult task, Rama Rajuji. So what you guys can do now, those who want to understand something more or want to know which are the great stocks in IT sector, which are the great stock in other sectors, they can just have one-to-one session. So we have 168 people. So book your free one-to-one training session and learn how you can identify great stock for all other sectors. I have shown you for metals and mining. I've shown you for food and beverages. So there are more 7 8 sectors which are great sectors. So you can easily come to this book this free one-to-one training program. You guys must have got SMS. So please let me give you this on your chat. No issue, sir. Sadiq ji, please understand, सलमान जी, कि क्या होता है कि whenever कभी कभी स्टॉक्स मार्केट्स के कारण और के कारण खराब रिटर्न देती हैं, बट ग्रेजुअली अब फंडामेंटल अगर अच्छी हैं तो इतना फास्ट रिटर्न देती हैं कि आपका पोर्टफोलियो सडनली चेंज हो जाता है. द फेस ऑफ द पोर्टफोलियो चेंजेस. सो प्लीज डोंट डाउट, अंडरस्टैंड देम. समझिए आप क्वालिटी बिजनेस स्कोर को, तो यू विल गेट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि कैसे एक फंडामेंटल एक स्टॉक को पावर देता है. सो फ्रेंड्स, we have 150 people right now. Please register for this one-to-one webinar where you need to put your name, your this, and you can easily connect to us through one-to-one webinar, and you can discuss lot about sectors, about selecting stocks. क्योंकि सर हम लोगों ने आइडेंटिफाई किया, we have identified कि सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या है एक इन्वेस्टर का. The biggest problem of an investor is selecting a quality stocks. Who all agree to this fact? सबसे बड़ी जो रिक्वायरमेंट है जब हम लोग 9:15 डेस्क के सामने आते हैं और या फिर हम लोग सोचते हैं कि आज हमें इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है, तो सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है कि किस में इन्वेस्टमेंट करूं. तो सबसे पहले हमारा नजर कहाँ जाता है? हम लोगों का नजर जाता है CNBC टीवी में, जो कि आपको वही स्टॉक्स बताते हैं जो कि और कंफ्यूज कर देते हैं पूरा. उसमें हम लोगों को नहीं पता कि फंडामेंटल कैसी है, बैकग्राउंड कैसी है कंपनी का. सो फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ क्या होता है आपको वैल्यू स्टॉक्स में, यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने पूरे 1800 कंपनी के बारे में रिसर्च किया हुआ है. आज के दिन NSE में 1625-30 कंपनियां हैं, लिस्टेड कंपनी NSE स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में. सो हम लोगों ने सब पूरे 1625 कंपनियों में इन्वेस्टमेंट कर दिया. ठीक है, तो हम लोगों ने रिसर्च किया है, तो उसके बेसिस पे हम लोग आपको बताते हैं कि कौन से 25-30 स्टॉक्स हैं जो आप इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकते हैं एक सुपर रिटर्न पाने के लिए. ठीक है, एक सुपर रिटर्न पाने के लिए which are those 25 sector, so 25 stocks और 10 stock 15 stock you can invest, जो कि मार्केट लीडर भी हैं, सेक्टर लीडर भी हैं. आर यू गेटिंग मी फ्रेंड्स? आर यू गेटिंग मी? सो प्लीज फ्रेंड्स, इस one-to-one सेशन को please fill this one-to-one session so that you can connect to us. और ये जो सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है इन्वेस्टर्स की, जहां हम लोग रिलायंस पावर, आलोक इंडस्ट्री, रुचि सोया जैसी गलत कंपनियों में CNBC वगैरह देख के हम लोग इन्वेस्टमेंट कर देते हैं. हम लोग ऐसे इन्वेस्टमेंट्स को बंद कर दें और अच्छी कंपनियों में इन्वेस्ट करें, जैसे APL अपोलो, जैसे हम लोगों ने ब्रिटेनिया देखा, वैसे कंपनियों में हम लोग इन्वेस्ट करें, हम लोग का रिटर्न बहुत स्ट्रांगली बढ़ने वाला है फ्रेंड्स. Those who can join this one-to-one webinar, this is a key for success for them in trading. So friend, please join this one-to-one webinar. So uh, we have 139 people. So can I expect some people to be very serious with regard to their portfolio, with regard to their portfolio management? Are we guys really serious? Because it's been, now market has become little tougher. So it's our duty to invest in only quality, quality and quality, to safeguard our money, to safeguard our hard earned money. So please join this one-to-one webinar. This will help you in identifying how you can select a quality stocks. Yes, it will help very much, Raviji, for your investments. So we have 135 people. I want you all guys to join this one-to-one. Okay, great, Manjunathan ji. So please book this. Nitin ji has booked for one-to-one webinar. You get the insight, you talk to us, no issue. You get scheduled for one-to-one, one time more for one-to-one. You will get insight of the product. Please book. Nitin ji has booked. Please book. uh, all the most of the features are paid. See, if you want, see what happened when things are free, you will not find new update in as per the feedback, because it's involved cost. So हम लोगों ने इसको free नहीं रखा है, because we want to give you service, we want to create, we want to implement new ideas on website. Sector leader is totally a new idea, and you will be shocked to know that from where this idea has came. Can anybody reply this on chat? कोई बता सकता है कि हम लोगों को ये आइडिया कहाँ से मिला, सेक्टर लीडर वाला? क्या कोई बता सकता है कि हम लोगों को सेक्टर लीडर वाला आइडिया कहाँ से मिला होगा? From you friends? No, nothing, no one else. This idea has came from our valued customer like you. So जब आप हम लोगों के संग वन टू वन के थ्रू जुड़ते हैं और आप हम लोग के क्लाइंट्स बनते हैं पोटेंशियली समझ के, कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है क्लाइंट बनने का. यू जस्ट बुक वन टू वन, टेक सेशन ऑन वन टू वन. नो, नॉट रिक्वायर्ड कि 10 लाख रुपए का आपका मिनिमम इन्वेस्टमेंट होना चाहिए. दैट इज नॉट द थिंग. सो आप जब वन टू वन सेशन लेते हैं, यू लर्न अबाउट द क्वालिटी थिंग. ठीक है, स्टॉक मार्केट में इन्वेस्टमेंट्स के क्वालिटी थिंग्स को आप लर्न करते हैं, तो क्या होता है कि आपको एक अच्छी अंडरस्टैंडिंग आती है, और अब आपके भी दिमाग में जो आइडियाज हैं, यू गिव इट टू अस. सर, ये सब कुछ अच्छा है आप में, अगर ये चीज अगर आप ऐड कर दें. सो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, अगर हमें भी वो आइडियाज पसंद आते हैं, अच्छे लगते हैं, वी इम्प्लीमेंट. सो दिस इज हाउ ऑल दी थिंग्स हैज बीन डन इन वेबसाइट. We only had that profit and sales growth earlier, then we added valuation. People asked about valuation. We had sector earlier, then we added sector leader, ki which are the sector leader. So in this way all the things is implemented. So this is not this is not a product which we have created, we all have created as per the requirement, because product ऐसी होनी चाहिए, जनरल लोगों के रिक्वायरमेंट से जुड़ के होनी चाहिए. तो दैट इज हाउ वैल्यू स्टॉक्स हैज बीन क्रिएटेड. सो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपके ही भाई बंधु और फ्रेंड्स और कलीग जो लॉसेस कर रहे हैं स्टॉक मार्केट में, जो हमारे सबके दोस्त हैं जो हम लोग के मार्केट्स में लॉसेस कर रहे हैं, तो वो उन्हीं लोगों से हम लोगों ने सीख के यहाँ पे इम्प्लीमेंटेशन किया है. सो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप भी वैसा ही कुछ कर रहे हैं जहाँ पे आपके लॉसेस हो रहे हैं स्टॉक्स में, आपके रिटर्न्स नहीं बन रहे हैं, यू आर मेकिंग ह्यूज लॉस, 5 लाख 10 लाख रुपीस आपने इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है, एंड यू आर मेकिंग लॉस ऑफ 50,000 60,000 80,000 1 lakh rupees, and you're not now you are confused what to do. This is the best platform for them. This is a best platform for them. So I you can know which are the great sectors, you can know which are the good quality stocks. There can be now the most important thing, how the idea came into the thing was, uh, बहुत से लोग आते थे, they used to say that okay, buy this stock, they used to provide the tip. Now हम लोग जनरली उस स्टॉक्स में एक बार दो बार देखते हैं और फिर वो फोन करेगा यार ये लिया कि ये बहुत बढ़ गया, अच्छा ठीक है चलो अब ले लेते हैं। जब हम लोग ले लेते हैं वो स्टॉक्स उनके टिप पे और फिर वो स्टॉक्स गिरने लगती है, हमें नहीं पता होता है कि उसके फंडामेंटल कैसे हैं, वो क्वालिटी कैसी है कंपनी की। सो जैसे ही आपको कोई भी आपके फ्रेंड गाइड करते हैं कि ओके गो एंड बाय दिस स्टॉक, व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, वी जस्ट नीड टू कम एंड click here, we need to check, like say for example Alok Industry, जैसे ही आप यहाँ पे क्लिक करते हैं आपको पूरा कच्चा चिट्ठा मिल जाएगा उस कंपनी के बारे में, और सबसे पहला एट अ ग्लांस आपको रिकमेंडेशन मिल जाएगा। आई नो दिस यू विल डेवलप स्लोली ग्रेजुअली, आपको कॉन्फिडेंस इसमें स्लोली ग्रेजुअली आएगा कि अरे ये तो सेल बता रहे हैं, मेरा फ्रेंड मुझे बाई क्यों बोल रहा है, ठीक है इनिशियली, लेकिन आपको लेकिन स्लोली ग्रेजुअली आएगा, फिर आप उसके डिटेलिंग भी कर सकते हैं। सो दिस इज सो पावरफुल फ्रेंड्स that this is so powerful friend that you can easily understand what is the fundamental of a company. जो फ्रेंड आपको बता रहा था इमीडिएटली आप ये भी आइडेंटिफाई कर लेंगे भाई वो फ्रेंड या तो खुद गलत कर रहा है या वो भी कहीं से गलत सुन के आ रहा है, सो आप उसको करेक्ट कर सकते हैं। और अगर वो गलत बता रहा है तो सेकंड टाइम यू हैव अ चॉइस नॉट टू लिसन टू दैट पर्सन। आर यू अग्रीइंग मी फ्रेंड? So please, those who want to learn what is AGS and all, please join this one-to-one webinar. My colleague on the other side, they are great. They are giving training to I think 7-8 people every day. So they have great understanding on product. So please, and I have limitation of time, so please join this one-to-one webinar to learn about whatever you want on website. So friend, I'm expecting, okay, many of people has confirmed that they have booked one-to-one session, and I'm very thankful for you all guys for booking this one-to-one session. And I must say this would be a powerful session for you, this one-to-one session, because right now what we are doing, we are not able to talk to each other, but in one-to-one session you can have specific problem and you can solve your specific problem with specific answer. So 99 people, I'm expecting there were around 200 people to 30 people on the higher side. I'm expecting at least 50-60 people to take one-to-one session. If they are new or if they are old, if they're confused with some of the terms or some of the thing, they can join this one-to-one. This is absolutely free. And this is, if you, most of the people who has came in this webinar, they're having time and has some curiosity with regard to knowledge. So it's added advantages in addition to their knowledge, the one-to-one session. So you can add more to your knowledge through this one-to-one session, which will be more comprehensive, more powerful, because it will be like आपकी अपनी जो query है उसका solution. Okay friends, moreover do not forget, तो जो लोग somehow there are still people who does not who will not be taking this one-to-one. I don't know why, but if you are not taking, please follow value stocks. Please look at sector leaders. Market has become a little cruel. Not say markets तो कभी भी cruel नहीं है. It's we who do not follow perfect thing in market, but जो भी है, it is a carrot and stick kind of thing in market. So now the enough of carrots happened. We have eaten lots of carrot now. Now it's time to get the stick. So, bhai, please be a quality person, be a quality, invest in only quality stock, so that ये stick का मार ज़्यादा ना पड़े. बहुत मार्केट्स में लॉसेस हो जाती हैं फ्रेंड्स. ये वेबिनार हमारे इसीलिए हैं कि जिससे, और ये टूल हम लोग इसीलिए लाए हैं कि जिससे मार्केट में लॉसेस कम हो जाए. जनरल इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए, जो लोग कम से कम चाहते हैं, देर आर so many people who are investing. We have data like 1.5 crore people are investing in stock market actively, doing daily trades and doing investing. So friends, उसमें 1.5 करोड़ आदमी में ओनली 2-3% ही ऐसे हैं जो आप हैं, जो सीखना भी चाहते हैं, जो जानकर, because why you guys have come to this webinar looking at banners or ads? Because you want to learn, you want to safeguard yourself, you want to safeguard your money, you want to earn. Okay, that is why you are here. So I want you guys to take full benefit of these kind of webinar. So please join this one-to-one webinar. Okay, friends. So we have 95 people. If you guys have any query, you can please ask. Training book कैसे करना है? Saurav Jain ji, you either give your number to us. Okay. So if you give your number to us, we will call you to help you in booking webinar, a one-to-one session. So, or you can do one thing. You can click on this link which I have sent on chat. ठीक है, मैंने आपको चैट में एक लिंक दिया है, उसको क्लिक करके यू कैन फिल अप द फॉर्म. दिस इज द फॉर्म. ये ऐसा फॉर्म खुलेगा. Okay, this will be the form where you need to put your name, your email address, your mobile number, the type of investor you are, sorry, what is your current investments in markets, select date of trading and time of trading. So we have 82 people right now on this group. So Rahul ji, please come to one-to-one webinar. You will get to know much about the thing. So जो भी curiosity आप में है regarding investments, regarding stock selection, वो आपके resolve हो जाएंगे. ठीक है? So friends, I think on 3-click, as I said, on 3-click, I think you like the session. If you like the session, then your appreciation will really help me to, or if there is any improvement required, you can suggest that also. So on 3-click, friends, you can easily get to know quality stocks. Did you like the session, friends? We have 73 people. If you have any query, then, or we can end the session for the day. Always best. Thank you, sir. Thank you everyone. Thank you, Parimal ji. Thank you, Himanshu ji. So please join one-to-one session. Okay, thanks. Great, sir. Thanks for confirming. Thank you, sir. Thank you for, please safeguard your money, please, because market is becoming little tougher now. So let's invest in quality stocks. Let's invest in great sectors, good sector, quality sectors, which are doing well from last 5 years, sectors which are defensive, sectors which do well even in falling market. So we need to invest. And the foremost important thing, invest in a quality stocks. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you for all the appreciation. Thank you, sir. Thank you.